said to shade all the points in the coordinate plane whose x and y coordinates summed to less than 10. So I translated that into an equation, or an inequality. The x coordinate plus the y coordinate were less than 10. Okay? So that's actually a line. The x-intercept of this line is 10, and the y-intercept of the line, if you set x equal to 0, is also 10. So that's this line right here. I sketched in that line, and then I tested a point, 0, 0, and of course the coordinates 0, 0 here, those coordinates sum to less than 10. So I know that everything below the line are the points whose x and y coordinates sum to less than 10. So I shaded those in green, not including the ones on the line, because those sum to exactly 10. Then in purple, I shaded all of the all the points whose x and y coordinates were both positive. And that's the first quadrant here, not including the x and y axis. So that's shaded in purple. And then the intersection of those two is this triangular region right here. And the three inequalities that define that region are x plus y is less than 10, which is everything in green, combined with x has to be greater than 0. That means everything to the right here. And y has to be greater than 0. So here's sort of the inequality for part A. These two inequalities sort of define the first quadrant when considered together. And if you consider all three of these inequalities, in other words, the points that satisfy this one, and this one, that's the triangular region here, and that's the answer to part C. This is the system of inequalities that defines this region.